modern civilization called Mesopotamian civilization. When we see the world around, there were different civilizations came around during different periods of time. Okay. Today we are going to learn the Mesopotamian civilization. There is one of the river valley civilization called Mesopotamian civilization. Before we enter into the topic, let us know about the topic itself. What is Mesopotamian? Mesopotamia, the word Mesopotamian derived from the Greek word, two Greek words, that is Meso, and another one is Potamia. The Greek word meso means between, it is between. And the word Potamia means rivers. So Mesopotamia means between two rivers. And the word civilization means it's a advanced stage. What's the meaning of civilization? Civilization means advanced stage or system of social development. What's the meaning of civilization? It is social system of development. Development means, you know what is development. It is a primitive stage to the modern stage. The development means the change between the primitive stage to the modern stage. Let us come to know about how the primitive man, how we got the development, how was the primitive man lived. Primitive man lived without any culture, without any well built buildings. And when we see the modern stage, people lived in the well planned cities and the well planned houses. And we will come to know about important features of the Mesopotamian civilization. Features of Mesopotamian civilization. The first feature of Mesopotamian civilization is settled life. What's the first feature? The first feature is settled life. And the second feature is surplus food production. And the third is towns and cities. Fourth one is town planning. And the fifth one is, and the fifth feature of Mesopotamian civilization is governing bodies and laws. And the sixth feature of Mesopotamian civilization is special crafts. And the seventh feature is language and script. Languages and script. So So these are the important features of the Mesopotamian civilization. When we see the people's life, when the first feature is settled life. What is settled life? You know, the primitive man lived as lived the life like a nomadic life. What's a primitive man lived? He lived the life is called nomadic life. What is nomadic life? It's not lived in a particular place or particular cities. It's a kind of life moving place to place for food and other purposes. So the early man, primitive man moved his life according to his needs from place to place. So in the modern stage or the civilization, people got the settled life. Mainly he settled in the river banks, because river banks, when we can find river banks as suitable for life. It got water supply, good water supply and the fertile soil, and for the rivers used for the transportation. These are the main purposes why the man lived in the river banks, and which carried him to the settled life. And the second one is surplus food production. So since the soil is fertile and good water supply was there, and also the transportation, river was used for transportation, food production was done better, and the surplus food was carried to the market for selling. And the next one is towns and cities. People moved to, from villages to the towns for the better life. So there will be the good developed cities and towns. Town planning. People also planned their towns well. Governing bodies. In the early stage, there were no people as such to rule the people, since the social system, when we see the social system, father is the head of the family, and the later periods, people started to settle in a particular place, and they started to select a person to govern themselves. So the governing bodies, and they also started making laws. And they also developed in arts and crafts, and they started new script, finding out new script. Thus, they have developed their languages. We'll see the location and origin of the Mesopotamian civilization. Where is this Mesopotamia is located? When we see the world map, Mesopotamia is located in the West Asia. Where it is located? It is located in the West Asia. And Mesopotamian civilization, we have seen all the civilization developed near the river banks. Where this Mesopotamian civilization where it is originated? It originated between two rivers we called as Euphrates and Tigris. What's the name of the rivers? Euphrates and Tigris. That's why we call Mesopotamia, which means between two rivers. And when it originated around 3500 BC, and it lasted till 600 BC. 3500 BC to 600 BC. And we see the location. I said already it is in West Asia, in the between the river Euphrates and Tigris. You should know where is Mesopotamia. What is Mesopotamia now known as? The ancient Mesopotamia is located the present between Iraq and Kuwait. Where it is located? In Iraq and Kuwait. The present name of the place is Iraq and Kuwait. And when we see Mesopotamian civilization, there were 4 important civilizations originated in Mesopotamia. The 4 important civilizations were, the first one is Sumerian civilization. And the next one is Babylonian civilization. And the third one is Akkad civilization. And the fourth one is Assyrian civilization. These are the important civilizations, and there were 4 important cities called Sumeria, Babylon, Akkad, Assyria, Ur. These are the important provinces, and here also the important civilization originated. That's why we call Mesopotamian civilization is as the cradle and grave of the civilization. What Mesopotamian civilization is called? It is known as cradle and grave of civilizations. Why? There are 4 important civilizations originated in Mesopotamia, and in every civilizations, once upon a time or after its peak growth, it got its declination. We will see the important among these civilizations, Sumerian civilization is the oldest civilization. Which is the oldest civilization in Mesopotamia? It is Sumerian civilization. And when we see the town planning, we will see the town planning of Mesopotamian civilization. The town planning, when we see the town planning is done not better than the Indian or the Harappan civilization. Harappan civilization, when we see the town planning are well developed and well planned. But this Mesopotamian civilization was not well planned as Harappan civilization in India or Indus Valley civilization. When we see here, this civilization is a uniform pattern. The towns are constructed as uniform pattern. They have followed uniform pattern to construct the cities. When we see here, the city has 3 parts. The first one is sacred place. And the second part of the city is walled city. And the third one is outer area. What are the 3 parts of the city? The first one is sacred place, and second one is walled city, and the third one is outer area. What we can find in the sacred place? We can find in the sacred place is temple tower. What we can find in the sacred place? Temple tower. It is also known as Sigarath. Temple tower is known as Sigarath. What is Sigarath? It is a holy place which is dedicated for their patron god. Sigarath is the place where it was actually a platform dedicated for their sacred god. There were different other Sigarath were also, temples were also constructed for other gods. So, temple tower is mainly dedicated for their patron god. Other temples were constructed for the other gods. And walled city. We can see this walled city and the outer area. This both places were used for the settlement. In the walled city, we can find people like nobles, priests, and the pharaoh or the king lived in the walled city. And when we see in the outer area, the third class people like farmers and businessmen, craftsmen, they all lived in the outer areas. These were the formation of the important parts in the town planning. And we see people lived in the holy places. Sacred place mainly used as religious matters. It's like a ziggurat, where ziggurat is the platform constructed for their gods. In the ziggurat, most of the religious ceremonies and functions took place in the ziggurat. Today we will close this lesson. Remaining we will see it in the next class.